Today, I'm going to be unboxing this Pokémon Celebrations Collector chest. I'll show you what's inside, and because there's boosters, we'll open up the boosters and see how many hits we can get as well. Let's go. So we've got our gold coin, and we've got promos. There we go. Hydreigon C, Mimikyu, and Light Toxtricity. Really nice. Cool. So next we've got our boosters. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 Celebrations booster packs. And Vivid Voltage and a Battle Styles. And there's some stickers. And more stickers. And even more stickers. And we've got a little notepad there. And we've got our little mini portfolio to store your cards in. Not that I'd really recommend using them if your cards are valuable, but they're cool to include some in. And you've got this little leaflet here talking you through your promos, which is nice. And of course, the lunchbox. Now, let's get these boosters opened. Battle Styles, let's start with that. Hopefully we can get some hits out of these, but it's really the Celebrations packs that we're interested in. Reverse Escape Rope and a Cladle, non-hollow. Let's check out the Vivid Voltage next. Like years it feels. Reverse Moo Moo Cheese. There we go. Focusing on that camera. Oh, Togekiss VMAX. Yes. I was starting to think that we might not get any hits out of these two packs, but that is nice. Okay. On to the Celebrations packs. Now, these packs have two parallel sets in them. They've got the regular set and then they've got the Celebrations Classics. So in the regular set, we are looking for the Mew Secret Rare. And in the Classic, Charizard, if we can get it. Just remember that these packs only have 4 game cards in. So these are all about the nostalgia. Surfing Pikachu V. Nice. Ooh, we've got a Cladle from the Classic. So, oh, and a Zamazenta V. Nice. Generally, it is the Classic Collection ones that are more valuable. Generally. Oh, yes, we got the Venusaur. Yes, it's not the Charizard, but we need it, actually. Oh, and a Pikachu illustration. That's nice. But the Venusaur, we've been hunting for a while, actually. Right, nothing in that one. But this has been a really nice bunch of packs. See what else we can get out of these. Blastoise, yes. Now we just need the Charizard. We do have. Which did we get earlier? Yeah. Another surfing Pikachu. Okay, last booster pack. We got the Charizard now. Actually, leave a comment down below. Let me know whether you think we'll actually get it or not. Give me your best guess. The chances of getting Ooh, Zekrom. We have a Zekrom. That is nice. And a Mew. It's not the Mew that we were after. But that is still a really nice Mew. But the Zekrom, we have not had one of those yet. And that's especially nice because we didn't get one of the originals either. So here we go. We've got our Zekrom, our Blastoise, 2 surfing Pikachus, Venusaur, our Pikachu illustration, Claydol from the classics, Zamazenta V, and of course Togekiss VMAX from Vivid Voltage. And that's it. Leave a comment down below and let me know what your favourite card was that we pulled today. And if you haven't already, be sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell to get a heads up on future videos. And I will see you in the next video. Bye.